Hello and welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we will be discussing about how to add or apply coupon in Shein app. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So first and foremost, all you need to do is simply tap open your Shein app. So once you open your Shein app, you will end up in this kind of interface. So all you need to do now is simply tap on the cart option. So once you tap on the cart option, you will be able to see this interface. So hit on the checkout option and then simply tap on the apply coupon once you scroll it down below. So once you have tapped on it, simply tap on the available coupons and hit the apply button, or if some coupons are not available, you can simply type in the coupon number you have with yourself and hit the apply button. This is how you apply or add coupon in Shein. I hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with these informative videos.